Here we are going to demonstrate about all weather monitoring system by using Raspberry Pi ThinkSpeak. So the main component of our project are Raspberry Pi 3 B plus, buzzer to give the alert, I2C LCD display to show the value of MQ2, MQ8, temperature, humidity, MQ135 and MQ7. So this is a DHT11 sensor, MQ135, MQ7, MQ2 and MQ8. So these are all the sensors which we are going to utilize, and this is a regulated power supply section where it gives an input power supply to the ADC board and all the different sensors in our project. So initially we will be running the program using Pi. So here in the command prompt, before that you have to turn on the hotspot, you have to enter the username and password, and you have to give the input credentials to run the program. So before after connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot, you have to enter in the command prompt cd space project / enter, and after that you have to enter python 3 project.py. Okay, after running this, the code starts to receive the commands from these sensor values. So initially there is an DHT11 sensor which will be giving direct data to the Raspberry Pi 3, and whereas coming to this MQ135, 7, MQ2 and MQ8, the data will be giving to the ADC input, and from this ADC input there will be an output triggering pulse going towards the Pi 3, and from this Pi 3 it is going to read the data coming from these modules and displays on the I2C LCD display. At the same time, it is going to send the data parallelly to the ThinkSpeak. So in the ThinkSpeak, here you can see the graphs on which it has taken the peak value. So we will create an interrupt pins by using the lighter. So initially we will be triggering the MQ7. So MQ8, so there you can see the change of MQ8 value. The same thing happens in the so here you can see the data. So it has peaked at 67. So here on the display, after removing it, it shows 64. So here you can see the duration on which it has taken the peak. So it is 6 p.m. right now according to the Indian Standard Time. And now next we will see the next peak point on which it has taken. So now we are seeing the MQ2 sensor. The same thing will be displayed on the LCD screen, and you can see on the flow chart also. Old దాని కింద so now it has peaked, it's 6:1. Okay, now we will see MQ7. So for the MQ7 we can find the, we will get the so it gives a beep alert when it reaches its threshold value. So there you can see the buzzer alert and the time on which it has taken the peak alert, and the same thing goes to the MQ8 also. So this is the old data. Now let us increase it again. MQ135. So now it has taken the MQ135. So this is the time on which it has taken the peak 130 MQ135 at 77%. Okay, now the temperature and humidity. Presently the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, so we will use the soldering iron. Okay, so initially it will not happen back to back one by one. Presently we are showing multiple points, and the single scale it might increase gradually. Okay, so there you can find the exact graph. So we are increasing the temperature by using the soldering rod. So when it reaches above 40 degrees centigrade, okay, it gives the buzzer alert. So now it is 40. So it takes nearly 20 to 25 seconds to update the data. So now it is above 40 degrees centigrade. It gives the buzzer alert. At the same time it shows on the peak. So at 6:3 you can see previously we have tested it for 55 degrees also. So this is how the graph will be increased in the things peak and gives the alert. So when it reaches to the less than 40 degrees centigrade, then it gets off, the buzzer gets off. So you can increase the humidity, but you have to blow. Okay, so like this we will be demonstrating the all weather monitoring system by using this Raspberry Pi 3 board.